Hi there. Okay, now I'm going to do a room tour of our room. So, yep, I'll be back with you in a second. We'll do a quick room tour. Okay, now we're on level 4. Okay, we're going to do a room tour, and we're in room 4359. So, okay, here we go. Lift wells there. So 4359 right here. Okay, you got your little red card. Nope, that didn't work very well, did it? Alright, 4359, here we are. Now it's a balcony room, and we're on the starboard side of the ship. Yeah, we're towards the rear of the ship, and you can see us right down there. Right there, so we're sort of in that area there, to the rear of the ship. And it's your typical room. You've got light switch there, okay, a little peephole. Here we go. And there's cupboard space. There's three wardrobes. You've got your life jackets up there. Another one there is typical wardrobe, and there's another one there with a safe in there and everything, which is really good. Now, as I mentioned on one of my videos before, get these little hooks. See these little hooks here? They just sit up there, and you can actually put your hats and all sorts of things on the hooks. Okay, as you come through the room, you get your telephone there. There's a number of drawers. Now, just out of interest, there is a Australian power point there, US power point there. Not sure what that is there, but yep. So it's handy on the Luminosa to have that Australian power point. Got a fridge there. There's some stuff in the fridge. Okay. The fridge feels hot, but it's not actually hot. Once you actually get stuff inside the fridge, it actually gets cool, which is good. There's these interesting pictures on the wall there. And we got some friends on the same ship, and they put exactly the same pictures on their wall too. But yeah, so there you go. Here's a little snoozy sign. Hang on the door. Now this is actually a 4-berth cabin. As you can see, there's a bed up there that drops down, so you can fit 4 in here. There we go. What else we got? Bed, of course. Now, this one actually is a, there's an adjoining room. Oh, there you go, on the map there, it shows you where we're going. So we left Brisbane, going up to Alatoa, up there. Okay, and you got a light switch there. Okay. Air conditioning vents up in there. Oh, and the bathroom, okay. Air conditioning controls, right there. So you can adjust the air conditioning yourself, up or down, to however you want. That's the light switch there for the bathroom. Okay, in the bathroom here, it's your typical bathroom with your shower, soap dispensers, shower, shampoo. Yeah, the loo, obviously. There you go. Okay, what else I can show you here? The suitcases fit under the bed, and there's room under the bed to fit your suitcases. There's a bit of a stall going on there, and a bin, drawer there. Okay, ice bucket with ice in it. What else can I show you? There's USB points down here. There's a USB point there, which is quite handy. What's there? There's 2 USBs there. 1, 2. Actually, there's 4. There's 4 USB points there, which is quite handy. I'm going to come through here. A couple of curtains there in your balcony. I'm going to head out onto the balcony. Oh, there we go. The balcony. There you go. As I mentioned, we're at the rear of the ship, so not far down the back actually. There's the back of the ship there. About 3/4 of the way down the ship. No obstructions here. got more balconies up the top there. As I say, we're on level 4. On the balcony, you've got a couple of chairs, bit of a table. It's quite good. Okay, I will mention something about this balcony room though, about the balcony room on the Luminosa. As you can see, you've got a door there which is a bit unusual. We actually haven't seen this type of door before. It's actually an opening door like that as opposed to a sliding door, which means you've got a ledge at the bottom there, so you've got to be a little bit careful as you step out and step in. But what's interesting about it though is that on the first night, in fact, during today I've heard it too, that people will open that door and it will slam back on them again, and it happens a lot. And the first night it happened so much, it was happening every hour or so, where people were just going out in the balcony, it was just slamming behind them, and it wasn't real good. But anyway, because normally you get a sliding door there, so you got this, but there's a lock up there as well. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, the room's very good, very comfortable.